Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Just when they thought it couldn't get better than this. Having been named Best Overall Air Fryer by Business Insider 3 years in a row, Yedi Houseware has now taken the best of the best in air fryer technology to create the all-new Yedi Evolution Air Fryer. With enhanced cooking space, a healthy ceramic-coated cooking basket that's PFOA-free, BPA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free, an expanded LCD touchscreen with built-in smart programs, added functionality, and a sleek 360 stainless steel design, the Yedi Evolution Air Fryer is everything you've been searching for in an air fryer. Unlike other competitors that only offer a standard air fryer, every Yedi Evolution Air Fryer comes with our deluxe total package ceramic-coated accessory kit, including a recipe book and cheat sheets. All the accessories deemed essential to optimizing your air frying experience. Transforming otherwise deep-fried, fat-laden foods into vibrant, healthy cuisine with the crispy, crunchy goodness you crave. With your Yedi Evolution Air Fryer, you'll satisfy the sweet tooth, the salty, and the savory. Now cooking up multiple dishes at once for even less effort and more Isn't it time to evolve your kitchen? Get the best of the best with the Yedi Evolution Air Fryer. Order yours today.